Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Bloom Skills. This video is something very interesting. I hope it will be interesting for you because I'm going to give you a special trick to fill the energy level of atomic orbitals. Without delay, let's get into the video. So I'm going to discuss about AUFBAU principle in this video. Because for filling of energy levels of the atomic orbitals, we follow the rules, hence Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, Pauli's exclusion principle and AUFBAU principle. In this video, I am going to talk about AUFBAU principle and I am going to make your doubts clear. So AUFBAU means building up. Okay, so you're going to build up the energy level of the atomic orbitals by filling the electrons in the order of the increasing energies. Okay, so you're going to fill the electrons in the atomic orbitals in the increasing order. The electrons will first occupy the lowest orbital. The electrons first occupy the lowest energy orbital. Once the lower energy orbitals is filled, then it goes to the next higher energy orbitals. So before we see the concept of AUFBAU principle, I would like to tell you some basics for filling of, before we go with the AUFBAU principle energy orbital diagram. I would like to talk about a few words on quantum numbers. Usually, the electrons are characterized by four quantum numbers. One is principal quantum number, which is denoted as N, azimuthal quantum number, which is denoted as L, magnetic quantum number, which is denoted as M, spin quantum number, which is denoted as S. I am not going to briefly discuss about this. I wanted you all to know as we are going to do the electronic configuration. So now, if say for this N is nothing but the principal quantum number, L is the azimuthal quantum number. If the principal quantum number is 1, the azimuthal quantum number will be 0. This I calculated by the formula N minus 1. N minus 1 is nothing but 1 minus 1. So L will be equal to 0 to 0, which is nothing but 0. If N is equal to 2, you substitute 2 in the place of N. So 0, 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 0 to 1. So if N is equal to 3, 3 minus 1, so 2 it will come. So 0 to 2 is 0, 1, 2. Like that you can substitute the principal quantum number. You will get the azimuthal quantum number based on the formula L is equal to 0 to N minus 1. N is the principal quantum number. Up to this, is it clear? So, when I am saying the azimuthal quantum number is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 stands for S orbital, 1 stands for P orbital, 2 stands for D orbital, 3 will be for F orbital. So, let me write the energy level diagram. So, this is 1. Principal quantum number is 1. 0 is yes. So, 0 is yes. So, 1 yes. 2 0 is 2 yes. 2 1 is 2p. Understand and write the energy level diagram of AUFBAU principle. You need not memorize this diagram anymore, children. You can understand the concept and you can draw the AUFBAU principle energy level diagram. You can calculate the problems based on this. It will be very easy for you. So, N is equal to 2. L is equal to 0, 1. So, 2, 0 is 2s. 2, 1 is 2p. 3, 0 is 3s. 3, 1 I have written as 3p. 3, 2 is 3d. Like that, I can write the increasing in order of the energy levels in the diagram. So, now you have to fill the electrons from the lower energy orbital to the higher energy orbital based on the AUFBAU principle. So 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p 4s, 3d 4p 5s, 4d 5p 6s, 4f 5d 6p, 5f 6d, like that it continues. 1s is lesser than 2s, 2s is lesser than 2p, 2p is lesser than 3s, 3s is lesser than 3p, 3p is lesser than 4s. This is how you have to note down the order of filling of the various orbitals as per the AUFBAU principle based on n plus L rule. To make it further easy for your understanding, I am writing the energy orbitals here. Let me write the n value first, then the L value. How I am writing, you see, this is your principal quantum number. This is your azimuthal quantum number. So n is 1 means 1s. S is nothing but 0. As it is discussed previously itself, I have informed you when L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 indicate the S, 1 indicate the P subshell, 2 indicate the D subshell, 3 indicate the F subshells. This is how you will be writing the values here. To make you to very clear with this concept, we are writing like this. It is a easier way to understand how to draw the energy level diagram. So n is equal to 1, 2, the same way 2. Here I have written all the principal quantum number, that is the n value. Now S means 0, P means 1, D means 2, P means 1. So I have written all the azimuthal quantum number. Now you add and write 1, 2, 3. You add and write the numbers n plus L. Now you see 1 S. So this is your first orbital. We have to see from the lower energy orbital to the higher energy. So 1 S. I have written here 1 S. Next is 2 S. 2 S. 1 S is lesser than 2 S. Next is 3. Here if you see, both they have the same number. So in that case, I have to see the lesser principal quantum number. So it means 2p is lesser when compared with 3s. So I will be writing 2p, then 3s. So after you writing the 3s, I have to see the 3p. See, it comes as 5. But 4s, if you see, it comes as 4. So I will write 4s. After 4s, you see, you have 3d also 5. You have the 4p n plus L values also 5. But the principal quantum number is lesser for 3d. So after 4s, I have to write 3d. Then 4p, then comes 5s. This is how you have to write the order of increasing energy orbitals for AUFBAU principle. This is how you will fill the electrons in the orbitals based on the AUFBAU principle. I hope you have learned how you have to write the AUFBAU principle. Energy level diagram. Definitely I know this video will be very interesting for you. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you.